Okay, sin A equal to opposite divide hypotenuse by the rule of torque as shown. ठीक है, cos A equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse and tangent A equal to opposite divide adjacent. Got it? By the rule of torque as shown. Sin A equal to opposite divide hypotenuse, cos A equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan A equal to opposite divide adjacent. Got it? Now here opposite equal to 5 centimeter, and hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. This centimeter are cancelled. Answer is 5/13. Now cos A equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, adjacent equal to 12 centimeter, and hypotenuse equal to, this is 13 centimeter. So 12/13 is answer. These centimeters are cancelled. Tan A equal to opposite divide adjacent, opposite equal to again 5 centimeter, and adjacent equal to 12 centimeter. These units are cancelled. 5/12 is answer. These are answers. Got it? Now you come on next. We have to solve first three parts. Now we come on fourth part. Fourth part is sin B. There is change, angle change. Got it? Now in first three part we find at angle A, just like here. Because there is sin A, cos A, and tan A with A. But in next three parts there is angle B. Fourth part, this is sin B. Fifth part, cos B, and last part, sixth part is tan B. Got it? Now we draw again this diagram. This is B, this is A, and this is C. This is 13 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. There is 90 angle. Now there is angle B. That's why we draw angle at point B. Got it? In first three part there is angle A. That's why we draw angle at point A. Now in next three part there is angle B. That's why we draw angle at B. Got it? That's why we draw again diagram. अब दोबारा diagram draw करेंगे because there is angle change. Now this is 90-degree angle and opposite side is called hypotenuse. This is angle. The side of opposite angle is called opposite, and the last one side is called adjacent. Again we use this formula, sin equal to opposite divide hypotenuse, cos B equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan equal to opposite divide adjacent. Got it? Here opposite is 12 centimeter and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. These units are cancelled. 12/13 is answer. Now you come on next. Adjacent equal to 5 centimeter and hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. These units are cancelled. 5/13 is answer. Now you come on next. Opposite equal to 12 centimeter and adjacent equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. These units are cancelled. 12/5 is your answer. Got it? These are the 6 part of question number 1, A part. Now you come on question number 2, B part. Question number 2, B part. The diagram of B part just like this. This is B, this is C, and this is A. This one is 7 centimeter, and this one is 24 centimeter, and this one is 25. Sorry, this is meter, and 25 meter. Got it? First we find the sin A. Then second we find the cos A, and at the last we find the tan A. We find these values at angle A. Got it? We find these values at angle A, that's why we draw angle here. This is 90-degree angle. The opposite of 90-degree is called hypotenuse. The opposite side of angle, this one is opposite side of angle, is called opposite, and last one is called adjacent. Now sin A equal to, again we write formula, opposite divide hypotenuse, other than cos A equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan A equal to opposite divide adjacent. You just remember this formula. Where is opposite? This one opposite, 24 meter divide, where is hypotenuse? This one, 25 meter. Units are cancelled. 24 by 25 is your answer. Got it? Now you come on next, adjacent divide hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent? 7th meter, and hypotenuse is 25 meter. It's mean 7 by 25 is the answer. Next one is opposites divide adjacent. 24 meter divide adjacent is 7 meter. So that 24 by 7 is your answer. Got it? We find these values at angle A. Now in next three part we find these values at angle B. Got it? We draw again diagram. This is B, this is C, and this is A. There is 90, and this side is 24 meter, and this side is 7 meter, and this side is 25 meter. Now we find the value. There is next part, fourth part, for fifth part, and sixth part. At fourth part we find the angle at point B, sin B, then cos B, after this then tan B. Sin B equal to, again opposite divide hypotenuse, cos B adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan B equal to opposite divide adjacent. Got it? Where is opposite? This is this angle at point B, that's why this is angle, because there is B point. This is angle point, the opposite side of angle is called opposite. This is 90-degree angle, the opposite side of 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Now we find out value and put the values at this formula. Where is opposite? 7 divide hypotenuse 25. 7 meter divide 25 meter. Meter are cancelled. 7 by 25 is the answer. Got it? Adjacent divide hypotenuse. Where is adjacent? 24 meter divide. Where is hypotenuse? 25 meter. Meter are cancelled because units are same. 24 by 25 is the answer. After this, opposite divide adjacent. 7 meter divide 24 meter. 7 by 24 is answer. Got it? Question number 3 is just like a question number 2. For each of the following right angle triangle, write down an expansion for sin P, cos P, tan P, sin Q, cos Q, tan Q. First we find the angle at point P in first 3 points, and next 3 points we find the angle at point Q. Got it? Question number 3. Diagram is just like here. This is diagram. This is point R, this is point P, and this is point Q. This one is Y centimeter, this one is X centimeter, and this one is Z centimeter, and there is 90-degree angle. Got it? First we find, first part is sin P, next part is cosine P, and next part is tan P. There is P point, it's mean we find the angle at point P. Got it? This is angle, and opposite side of angle is called opposite. This is 90, That's why this is called hypotenuse and this is adjacent. This side is called adjacent, the other side is called adjacent. Again, sin P equal to opposite divide hypotenuse. Where is opposite? Y centimeter divide hypotenuse z centimeter, so that y by z is answer. Because units are same, so that they are cancelled. Cos P equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse. Where is adjacent? This one, x centimeter divide hypotenuse is z centimeter. Centimeters are cancelled, x by z is answer. Got it? And tan P equal to opposite divide adjacent. Where is opposite? Y centimeter and adjacent equal to x centimeter. Centimeter are cancelled, y by x is your answer. Similarly, we find the angles. Again we draw the diagram, and this is R point and this is P point and this is Q point. This is y centimeter, this is x centimeter and this is z centimeter. This is the angle 90. In fourth part we find sin Q. In fifth part we find cos Q, and in last part, this is sixth part, we find tan Q. Again we find the value. This is angle at point Q, that's why this is, we draw angle here. Got it? Opposite side of angle is called opposite. Opposite side of 90 is called hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Okay, sin Q equal to opposite divide hypotenuse. Cos Q equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan Q equal to opposite divide adjacent. This is opposite side, this is x centimeter. Divide hypotenuse equal to z centimeter. Centimeters are cancelled, x by z is answer. Okay, this is adjacent. Adjacent equal to y centimeter and hypotenuse equal to z centimeter. The units are same, so that they are cancelled, y by z is answer. After this, opposite divide adjacent. Opposite is x centimeter, adjacent is y centimeter. These are again cancelled, and x by y is your answer. Got it? Similarly, this is part B. At point B, at part B, similarly we find the angle at point P. First we find the angle at point P, just like here. This is P point. When there is angle at P, this 90-degree angle, this is called hypotenuse. There is angle, this is called opposite, and this one is called adjacent. We find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Got it? Again we draw diagram. Now we find at angle Q. Now there is angle Q. Now there is angle Q, the side will be changed. The angle Q, opposite side of angle Q is opposite, and there is 90-degree, and opposite side of 90-degree is called hypotenuse, and there is adjacent. Now we find the sin Q, cos Q and tan Q. Okay, you will try to do part B. If you have any query, then inbox me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to start chapter number 11. Topic is trigonometric ratio. We have learned about trigonometric ratio. In trigonometric ratio, we have right angle triangle. Right angle triangle mean one angle is equal to 90. If there is not right angle triangle, we can't define trigonometric ratio. So it's necessary to define trigonometric ratio. One angle is always equal to 90-degree. In this triangle, angle C equal to 90. In a triangle ABC, this is A, this is B and this is C. In triangle ABC, if angle C equal to 90. There are three trigonometric ratio. First one is sine, second one is cosine, third one is tangent. Got it? There is angle A, that's why we write with sine A. Got it? You always remember sine A equal to opposite divide hypotenuse. Opposite divide hypotenuse. This is 90 angle. The opposite side of 90 angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side of 90 angle, the side of opposite 90 angle is called hypotenuse, and this is angle, simple angle, and opposite side of simple angle is called opposite. Got it? 90 डिग्री के जो ऑपोजिट एंगल है वो हाइपोटेनियस है, और एंगल के ऑपोजिट जो साइड है वो ऑपोजिट है, और लास्ट वन इज कॉल्ड एडजेसेंट. 90 की जो ऑपोजिट साइड है वो हाइपोटेनियस है. गॉट इट? एंड साइन ए इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट डिवाइड हाइपोटेनियस. दिस इज फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन. Cosine A equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and tan A is equal to, this is also called tangent, opposite divide adjacent. You also remember by this trick. To ca show. T mean tangent, O mean opposite, and A mean adjacent. C mean cosine equal to A mean adjacent divide H mean hypotenuse. S for sine equal to O mean opposite divide H mean hypotenuse. Got it? These three ratios are called trigonometric ratio. We have learned question number 1. Today we have to start question number 2. Question number 2 is, for each of the following right angle triangle, this is again right angle triangles. Take a state the values. This triangle is given. We state the values of sin A, cos A, tan A, sin B, cos B, and tan B. Okay, now we start part B, question number 2. Exercise 11A, question number 2. Triangle is just like this. This is triangle. A, B, and C. This is right angle. This is 12 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. We find the following values. First one is sin A. Second one is cosine A. This is also called cos. Third one is tan A. This is also called tangent. Okay, now this is 90 degree angle. Opposite of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. There is angle A, because there is A. It's mean angle A. Opposite side of angle is called opposite, and other side is called adjacent.